Here I have Doogee S70, and today I'm going to show you how to change your volume panel styles on this device. So basically how to customize your volume panel. So as you can see right now I have like the default one volume panel, but you can actually customize it if you download this app Volume Styles from the Play Store. So what you need to do is to just open this app. After you download it, then tap Start. And you have to give permissions to accessibility services. And now you can pick different volume panels. As you can see, you have like the iOS one, Android 12, One UI, RGB, MIUI, Color OS. So like different volume panels from different operational systems. But my personal favorite is the emoji one. And as you can see right now I have like my volume panel with emojis. Pretty fine. You can also like customize your own panels here. So like you can customize them. You can change your styles. You can like create your own style. Some features, as you can see, like for money, like you can get them for free just from the Play Store, but some features are for free and you can customize them. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.